Hello everybody! Today I want to show you an interesting experiment with the thermoacoustic prime mover. The configuration is simple as possible. I hang up a really sensitive armature with my big standing wave thermoacoustic heat engine onto the left side and the counterbalance onto the other one. The external heat source is my small alcohol burner with steel wick. If you want to build one, just click the link on the right up corner and check the tutorial later. The stack in the unit is a rare steel wool, and the external cooler is a wet tissue wrapped around the thin glass wall. Few tenths of a second, the engine starts to make a high amplitude sound. The standing sound wave moves back and forth with high amplitude in the open end. The movement of the gas here is that similar as the water moves back and forth in a classical steam-driven put-put or pop-pop boat. Outward creates a jet impulse, and this thrust pushes forward the boat. But when the steam contracts in the boiler, the pressure drops and sucks the water into the tube. The inverse stream comes from the side of the open end. So the boat has two streams with different orientation, and it creates the difference between the thrust and the suction power, and the boat starts. Alright guys, the engine is running with a nice smooth sound. First I want to show you how strong the backflow is. When I put my hand close enough to the open end, the stream collapses, then the flow starts to follow the surface of my hand. This is a bit of on the surface effect. My hand turned the external jet stream sideways. This means the thrust dropped. But at this time, the suction force inward is greater, so the motor begins to follow my hand counterclockwise as the inward flow creates low pressure area, pulls the unit onto the surface of my hand. When I took off my hand, then the thrust pushed the heat engine around. Interesting, huh? Please leave me a comment below if you have any idea or question about this experiment. Are you new here? Then don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get updates and news. Thanks for your watching. Stay tuned. See you soon. Blade.